are unboxing today one of our dream cookware, and so let's get this started. It was our goal to have something like this once we bought a new home, and so we ended up getting HEXCLAD. Woo! Oh, all right.
We were holding off until we moved in just because there were so many deals going on, but we're like, well, let's see it. Ooh, here it is. I'm gonna try to tip this over carefully so you can see. There it is. HC for HEXCLAD. Yay!
Yay!
All right. Now to carefully. How about we just break down the box? We're gonna have to break this down anyways. Nice. So you're gonna push this forward. Oh, look at that! You can push this forward and we'll pull this out. Oh, yes.
All right.
Shall we?
Shall we? Yeah. Okay.
The excitement.
Ready? Got it.
Oh! Welcome to the hybrid revolution. Wow. Can you see us? We're here somewhere. All right, let's go this all the way down.
Wow.
So we got a 6-piece set.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh man, this comes with.
It comes with, so we got a 12-inch pan, and then,
So that's a lid.
or the, well, the lid, with the lids.
With
right?
the lids.
Yeah.
This is the, I think this is the small frying pan. Oh, it smells fresh. That smells like Gordon Ramsay right there. Gordon, if you had a smell, it would smell like steel and yes. Hey, hey, hey.
That's wonderful.
That's one.
This one. All right, this one is, I think this is the wok, right?
That should be the wok. Ooh, the hybrid wok. Oh, we got that one as a free gift.
Yes, we did. So there's that one. And then let's take a look here.
Well, they give us a thing of how to take care of it.
That's cool. All right.
8-inch lid.
It's an 8-inch lid.
Now for an 8-inch frying pan.
Yep. This is the
10-inch lid. So many stuff.
Alright, this is the frying pan.
Boosh.
There's that.
Oh, sorry. This is the medium frying pan.
Yep.
Very cool. Very cool.
Okay, and then the last but not least, there's that one. Let's take a look here. Oh,
There you go. And that's the 12-inch.
12-inch.
That's a really good size.
Nice, nicely done. Yes, it looks very beautiful.
It smells like Vegas.
It does.
Wow, that's so cool. So now we have our premium supplies.
Yay!
There's specific ways to take care of this, but we're so excited.
Yay!
And to be honest, these are so cool. Maybe when Costco goes on a deal, we'll get some more.
Yeah.
They have a limited supply, but this is backed by a lifetime warranty, which is great. So, yeah.
All right, thanks, HEXCLAD.
Thank you, HEXCLAD. Thank you, Gordon Ramsay. Bye.